Hi students, welcome to the channel. This video lecture is all about cloud computing operations. As we all know, there are so many operations performed with the help of cloud computing, right? And here cloud computing operation refers to delivering superior cloud services. Superior cloud services. Right. As we all know, cloud computing operations have become very popular and widely employed by so many organizations. In today's world, every organization use cloud computing services just because it allow us to perform all business operations over the internet. We have discussed this earlier that strong internet connection is required if we want to access any cloud computing service, right? And these operations can be performed with the help of web applications, some web applications or mobile based applications. And in case of cloud computing, we have number of operations, right? The first operation is email marketing. Email marketing. In every large organization, email marketing is done with the help of cloud computing. The second type we have is content management. The operation that is content management, if any organization want to manage their content, every organization has a large number of content and that is very tough to manage, right? But with the help of cloud computing, it becomes a little easier, right? The third operation is online marketplace. Every online work done in every organization or done by any end user is done with the help of cloud computing. Next we have is accounting services. If we want to handle any account details of any organization, we can access any kind of software with the help of SaaS and we can access those services, and it become very easier for us to handle our account services, right? The fifth operation, that is human resource management and recruitment system. The recruitment system becomes very easier if you are using cloud computing, right? Now we will discuss, now it is very easier to manage all these cloud computing operations, right? And with the help of cloud computing service providers, it becomes very easier to manage all these operations. There are several ways to manage day by day cloud operations, and these are done. The first point we have is always employ right tool. We should always employ right tool and resources to perform any function, right? If we want to manage operations provided by cloud, a user should always employ right tool. We should always use right tool and resources to perform any function, right? The second point we have is things should be done at right time and right cost, right? We should know the timing and the cost of every resource available, right? The third point we have is selecting an appropriate resource. We should select an appropriate resource for operation management, right? We should know our need, and according to our need, we should select the resources provided by cloud, right? The fourth point we have is the process should be standardized and automated to manage repetitive tasks. Right? Every process or resource we are taking through cloud should be standardized and automated to manage repetitive tasks, right? This is the most important thing. The last point we have is one should maintain quality of service to avoid rework later. This is the important term, that we should maintain the quality at the first point, right? If we maintain the quality, then there will be no need to rework later after some time, right? So maintain quality of every service to avoid rework later. So this is all about cloud computing operations. Thank you so much for watching this video.